Next one, haloarenes. Haloarenes means halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon of aromatic ring are known as haloarenes. So haloarenes means halogen. Halogens means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogens are directly attached to sp2 carbon of aromatic ring are known as haloarenes. Halogens are directly attached to sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon of aromatic ring. Aromatic ring are called haloarenes. Haloarenes. For example, chlorine is a halogen. Halogen attached to aromatic ring. This is known as chlorobenzene. Next one, Br. Br attached to benzene, bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. Next one, fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene. These are haloarenes. So how to prepare haloarenes? Preparation. Preparation of haloarenes. Preparation of haloarenes. First one, chlorination. Chlorination. Chlorination means reaction with Cl2, chlorine. Here benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight to give chlorobenzene. What is the molecular formula of benzene? C6H6. This is the section of benzene. Benzene reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight to give chlorobenzene. Cl is substituted this carbon. That means removal of hydrogen, addition of carbon. So here removal of hydrogen by the addition of one Cl attached to aromatic ring, and remaining H and Cl removal of Cl. This is chlorobenzene. Second one, bromination. Bromination. Bromination means reaction with bromine. Here also benzene reacts with bromine in presence of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride to give bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. This is also haloarene. So this is benzene reacts with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. So Br attached to aromatic ring. Br, that means bromobenzene, and remaining removal of hydrogen bromide. This is bromination. Similarly, fluorination reaction with fluorine. Fluorination. Benzene reacts with fluorine to give fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene. This is the molecular formula of benzene. Reacts with fluorine to give fluorobenzene. Fluorine attached to benzene and remaining HF. Next one, chloro substituted Chloro substituted benzene. Chloro substituted benzene. For example, COONA, sodium benzoate. Chloro substituted sodium benzoate. Chloro substituted sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime. What is soda lime? A mixture of NaOH and CaO. It is known as soda lime. Here removal of Na2CO3 by the addition of hydrogen to form benzene attached to Cl and remaining product is Na2CO3. So sodium carbonate. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Understand, students? Here chloro substituted sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime to give chlorobenzene. Sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime to give benzene. Chlorobenzene. These are the preparation of halogens. Next one, chemical properties. Chemical properties of halogens. Here initially we considered as halogens and reacts with further new substance. Chemical properties. First one, chlorination. Chlorination. Here initially we considered as halogens, chlorobenzene, Cl. Chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine to form two products. One is major and another one is minor products. To give orthochloro. So two substitutes are adjacent. Adjacent person is known as ortho. And para means two groups are opposite. That is known as para. 1, 4th person. 1, 4 persons are known as para persons. 1, 2 adjacent persons are known as ortho persons. That means chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine to form orthochloro. O means ortho. Orthochloro. Chlorobenzene, and second one is parachlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine to give two products. One is orthochlorobenzene is major product. Second one is parachlorobenzene is minor product. Second one is bromination. Bromination. Here same. So bromobenzene is treated with bromine to give two products. So one is bromobenzene and bromobenzene. Bromobenzene is minor product. So this is major product. Major means 95% of bromobenzene is formed and remaining 5% is formed. So this is minor, this is major products. The third one is nitration. Nitration means it is treated with nitric acid, HNO. Here chlorobenzene is treated with HNO3. It is also gives two products. One is orthonitro-chlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene. This is orthonitro-chlorobenzene. Nitrate means reacts with HNO3. Next one, sulfonation. Sulfonation reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4. H2SO4. Here, benzene attached to C is treated with H2SO4 sulfuric acid to give two products. So, orthochlorobenzene sulfuric acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Orthochloro, this is here, benzene sulfuric acid, SO3H. Orthochlorobenzene sulfuric acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid, SO3H, and remaining Cl. H2SO4 means HSO3O. H2SO4. Here removal of ortho portion hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Here removal of H2O by adding HSO3 group. HSO3 sulfonic acid. This is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, students. Orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction is very most important reaction for IP. 2 marks or 4 marks. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction means a mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. This reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Already in the previous classes, what is the Wurtz reaction? I explained Wurtz reaction. So Wurtz reaction means alkyl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form higher alkanes. Removal of NaH to form alkanes. Wurtz reaction means alkyl halides. Fittig reaction means aryl halides. Here Wurtz-Fittig reaction means a mixture of alkyl and aryl halides. Okay. So here a mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. This reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This reaction is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, students. So alkyl halides means CH3Cl. Alkyl halide is treated with aryl halide. Aryl halide means a mixture of benzene and Cl. Is treated with sodium metal. Okay, sodium metal means CH3Cl. 2 moles of Na is treated with alkyl halide. So here removal of 2 NaCl to form in presence of dry ether to give CH3. That means methyl benzene. So alkyl benzene to form alkyl benzene methyl benzene plus 2 NaC. This reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, students, a mixture of alkyl halides and aryl halides treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, not biphenyls, alkyl benzene. This reaction is known as Busch-Fittig reaction. Next one, Fittig reaction. Here the formation of biphenyls. Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction means aryl halides. Aryl halides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. This reaction is known as Fittig reaction. Aryl halides reacts with sodium metal, Na metal. Sodium metal in presence of dry ether to give biphenyls. This reaction is called Busch-Fittig reaction. So Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. Aryl halides, instead of aryl halides, benzene attached to Cl and another mode of aryl halide. So here the mode of 2Na in presence of dry ether to form biphenyls. Plus 2 moles of NaCl biphenyl. This reaction is known as which reaction, students? Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction is formation of biphenyls. Busch-Fittig reaction is formation of methyl benzene. Conversions. Write the conversion of the following. First one, ethane to bromoethane. Second one, chlorine to benzene. Okay, students, here ethane to bromoethane. What is the formula of ethane? C2H6. This is ethane. Ethane to bromoethene. Ethene means double bond. Ethane on pyrolysis. Ethane on pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means removal of hydrogen to form ethylene. So C2H4 is written as CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethylene, which is treated with bromine. It is treated with bromine to give CH2 Br. This is 1,2 dibromoethane. 1,2 dibromoethane. It is treated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH means removal of HBr, hydrogen halide. Here removal of hydrogen, here removal of bromine to form CH2 double bond CH Br. 1, 2. This is bromoethene. Bromo double bond means ene. Bromoethene. Okay, understand, students? Ethane to bromoethane. Ethane C2H6, which are pyrolysis. That means removal of hydrogen to form ethylene. This is ethylene. Ethylene is treated with bromine to form 1,2 dibromoethane, which are treated with alcoholic KOH, removal of HBr to form bromoethene. Second case, toluene to benzyl alcohol. This conversion. Toluene. What is toluene? Benzene attached to CH3, methyl benzene or toluene. So it is treated with chlorine. It is treated with chlorine to form benzene attached to CH2Cl and removal of HCl. It is treated with aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH means addition of OH and removal of KMCl and KCl to form benzyl alcohol. Benzene attached to CH2OH. This is benzyl alcohol. Okay, students. So this is the conversions.